Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead and talk today about one of the tweaks, which is I highly recommend you guys to try this one. Most of you guys seen the Apple event, and if we talking specific, we talking about the iPhone 12. And then right now you can download one of the tweaks, which is going to be bring one of the iPhone 12 feature into your jailbroken device. Let me talking about the MagSafe. This is going to be for the charging if you want to use that. So most of you guys seen the Apple event, and once they talking about the new wireless charging indicator will be giving you a nice effect. You can bring that into your jailbroken device. Let me just showing you guys how is that effect will be looks like if you want to plug your device in charge. It doesn't matter if you want to use that with your cable or you want to use your wireless. So let me show you guys how is that will be looks like. So of course, first of all, you need to go into your lock screen. So lock your screen, and then as I told you guys, you can use your USB cable. You can place your device in any one of the wireless charging. And one of the things which is I really like it, once you use your safe mode or the low power mode, it comes with a yellow. And once you go into normal mode, let me show you guys once again. Let me just go into the regular mode here, and then go into my lock screen here, and then just put my device in the charge. You can take a look. This is the same kind of effect that comes with the iPhone 12 feature, which is called the MagSafe. Of course, once you download that week will be came with some of the stuff, like for example, once you download the tweak, you need first of all to enable the tweak, and then also, which is the feature that I shown you guys, if you want to toggle use low power mode or color, which is going to be really nice effect, which is the yellowish effect will be came once you want to use the low power mode. If you want to toggle that on, this is the only things that it comes once you download the tweak. If you make any kind of configuration, just tap on the apply, will be at the top here to apply all the changes. Once you on the lock screen, as I told you guys, it doesn't matter if you want to use your USB cable, your Apple wireless, which is the MagSafe, or any kind of other wireless. Once you plug your device in the charge, it comes with that effect, which is really nice and a beautiful effect. This is how is the MagSafe will be work. If you guys like to download this one is still, it is it's free to download. If you guys want to download that tweak, I will be put the name for the tweak will be in the description down below with the source if you guys looking to download this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you and catch you guys with a next one. Peace out.